practice English speaking.
Hello everyone, welcome to Practice English Speaking channel.
Hi, we're happy you're here today.
Today, you'll listen to a real English conversation between two friends about morning routine and daily habits.
This episode is perfect for A2-B1 level learners to practice listening, speaking, and useful daily English phrases.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us when you see the pause notes. So, how was your morning today?
Honestly, a little rushed. I woke up late again.
Again? You always say that. What time did you wake up?
Around 7:45. My alarm rang at 7, but I ignored it.
I wake up at 6:30 every day. It gives me more time.
Wow, that's early. What's the first thing you do?
I check my phone, sadly. Then I get out of bed.
Same here. I check messages and social media.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
Coffee. Strong coffee. I can't function without it.
I prefer tea. It feels calm and relaxing.
I wish I felt calm in the morning. I feel sleepy.
After that, I take a shower and get dressed.
I shower too, but very quickly. I'm always in a hurry.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes, if I have time, I eat eggs or toast.
Do you use your phone a lot in the morning?
Yes, too much. I check emails, news, and messages.
Same. Technology saves time, but also wastes time.
Exactly. 5 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
Have you ever worn the wrong clothes in a hurry?
Yes, once I wore 2 different socks to work.
Oh no, did anyone notice?
Yes, everyone noticed.
After getting ready, I go to work at 8:30.
I leave home around 9. Traffic is terrible.
Morning traffic is always stressful.
True, but good music helps.
Let's practice some useful words from today. 1. Wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
2. In a hurry. It means you don't have much time. Example, I was in a hurry this morning. 3. Morning routine.
Things you do every morning. Example, my morning routine is simple.
4. Check my phone.
Look at messages or apps. Example, I check my phone after waking up.
5. Feel sleepy.
Not fully awake. Example, I feel sleepy without coffee.
You know, I really want to improve my morning routine.
Same here. A good morning makes the whole day better.
Exactly. When my morning is bad, my mood is bad all day.
Do you ever exercise in the morning?
I think about it, but I don't actually do it.
Thinking is not exercising.
I know. I usually feel lazy in the morning.
I try to do light exercise like stretching.
That sounds easy. How long do you stretch?
Only 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad. I can try that. Does it really help?
Yes, it gives me energy and clears my mind.
I need that. My mind feels slow in the morning.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
If I'm honest, sometimes nothing.
That's not good. Breakfast is important.
I know, but I don't feel hungry early.
I usually eat fruit or eggs.
That sounds healthy. I eat fast food too often.
Fast food in the morning? That's brave.
Or maybe stupid. My biggest problem is time.
Time management?
Yes, I always think I have more time than I do.
Same mistake. Then suddenly I'm late. I prepare my clothes at night.
That's smart. I decide everything in the morning.
That's stressful.
Very stressful.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Yes, and that's why I wake up tired.
Same problem. Screens affect sleep.
I say one more video, then it's midnight.
I'm trying to stop using my phone at night.
How do you do that?
I say, today will be a good day.
That sounds simple but powerful. I complain too much in the morning.
Many people do.
I want to complain less and smile more.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us. I wake up early.
I check my phone.
I eat breakfast at home.
I go to work in the morning.
My morning routine is simple.
Now, think about your own morning.
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
No, I don't really exercise in the morning. I eat cereal or toast for breakfast. Yes, I use my phone a lot. Talking about this makes me want to improve.
Same here. Small changes help a lot.
Tomorrow, I'll wake up earlier.
Let's see if that really happens.
Okay, wish me luck.